Kubor Panya District, Jong ka West Castles ha ringkat ke jingit ray lang bat ka office, Jong District Sports Officer, Naya, Nehru Yuva Kendra, kan rakhe ke jingdap shispah sanphew snem, Jong ka sngikha, Jong Sardar Vallabhai Patel, ya katay ke jing rakhe, an sedang na do ka khatway terek mentau banai, ha kapor kandai bije minstep, uba Isaac Moment, MCS habai jingkran hagilar patai kubor menta ka sngi uloong baha ka jing rakhe ka tai ka sngi an sedang na ka jing mare thong bat hadien kata kan danru ka cleaning drive cultural program debate bat kibai ha ka ba anya shimbenta dagi khena puli jangi school ba pher na poka district
of India is celebrating 1 month program starting from 31st October to 14th to 30th November. The district administration of West Khasi Hills in collaboration with the office of the district sports officer and Nehru Yuva Kendra will be organizing some activities to promote unity, integrity and solidarity. The first Padayatra or Rally for Unity will be held on 11th November. Around 500 students and youths are expected to participate in this Yatra or Rally for Unity, which will start from indoor stadium Lab Wetang Nongstein Clay Yo around the market and end at indoor stadium. Apart from this rally, we have also various activities such as essay competition at Longstone College and St. Francis, debate competition at Synod College and Anderson Higher Secondary School, lectures and talk at JNB schools, poster making at Synod College and Anderson Higher Secondary School, cleaning drive at Longstone College and St. Francis, yoga and wellness program at JNB. The second Padayatra or Rally for Unity will be held on 19th November 2025. Hence, we request the youth of this district to come forward and participate in these activities to promote a sense or spirit of unity, integrity, and solidarity. So thank you so much. Kublai Sigun and Mathala.